Okay. Today we're going to make some magnetile circle made with
giant
54 magnetiles. First you need 12 of these, and 30 of these. And first, you take 6 of the 12, make a, I think that's a hexagon.
That is.
Take 6 of those. And then you already have a circle, but
This is how you make a ginormous circle.
and then you take 2 on each side, including the triangles. And then
You just put the pizza things inside there.
The pizza. That's a great name.
The pizza pieces?
Pizza thing.
And then you have a ginormous circle. Whoa.
Wow. That's pretty cool. Yay!
But you can also make another thing out of this.
Like
Not
what?
just a giant circle. Okay.
Well, I'll make a giant donut. What about this orange stuff?
You sure are being loud, birds.
It doesn't fit together very well.
That's awesome.
Breaks loose.
Okay. Now,
I think this would be a great engineering tool for designing a building or some kind of
Oh yeah,
structure.
remember when I made that smaller circle that goes inside here and I built a thing and it
Sat on it.
Yeah, I sat on it and
so
it
strong.
didn't break.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's make it. Let's make that. Let's show.
But it did crack a piece.
Did it really? Oh no.
Well, we're just gonna show you how to make.
So I guess if we did make a building that shape, we shouldn't make it out of plastic.
Yeah. Make it out of something.
Cardboard.
Yeah.
Cardboard. That would be easy.
That was the best.
Wood?
Yeah.
Good idea.
And then you just make that same
Houses are made
exact
out of
circle.
sort of like cardboard. It's just a bunch of pieces of wood glued
But then
together.
you do this.
Yeah.
That's what cardboard is.
That's true.
Just really
Hey.
tiny particles of wood.
If you soaked the cardboard in some kind of resin, yeah,
Is that what they're made
and
of? The
sandwiched them,
What's that?
Daddy, I'm trying to
OSB.
show you something.
yeah, more or less. I mean, it's oriented strands of wood.
Dad, here's the strong part.
Okay.
Oh,
I've been missing it.
Here's the onyx.
What'd you say, Emmy?
It's an egg donut.
An egg donut?
No, an egg donut.
Oh, an 8 donut. Smart girl.
It's
I'm gonna make
all
And
gone.
then it's unbreakable.
So you're going up again, or is this?
It's just the part that we made up.
Oh,
Oh,
And
Dad.
that looks
then you put a roof on
Very
that.
fun when I roll up my pants to be slightly short. Feels cool.
And you can also make another thing. There's lots of things in this videos, you can make a magnet tiles
Yeah.
with just 30 squares, 12 long triangles, well, 12 pizzas, and 12 normal triangles. Okay,
Size.
Children.
you make a large split. First, you make a large split.
We are
Shoot, so I have to give you one.
eating taco soup. So it's all,
First, you
all the
make a
ingredients
large
in a taco.
square.
Then you make sure and add potatoes. And it does have salsa. Oh, poor Banjo. And anyway, you pour the soup.
Deer meat.
Is that deer?
Yep.
It's awesome. It's delicious. And yeah, pour it over chips with a dollop of sour cream and
Oh, sweetie, there's some
plenty of cheese on top. And some people like it mixed up, like me, and some people like it to be nice and crunchy still. So they'll
I
put the
like
chips
it.
on top. That's what Laura Jean likes.
I like them when they're slightly crunchy and not completely floppy though.
Yeah.
And
So
then,
we all already had our official formal dinner, and now this is just the game and relax and snack on. Yeah, second dinner.
That's right. It makes us excited. Quoting that makes me excited for New Year's. Our tradition is to watch Lord of the Rings all in one go. It's the only way you can stay up that late, which we may still not be able to do.
Yeah.
Actually, we'll have to.
You need sour cream. Okay.
okay, and then you take all the triangles. Okay, and then you make a corner.
Oh, that's cool.
That's good. Did you tell everybody that we've never been able to have anyone win this game except Lizzie?
Yep.
Alex says that we jinxed it because we gifted it to her for Christmas. If we had given it to him, he would have won every game.
I would just have the right to not let Lizzie play for most times.
You would have the right to kick her out of the game.
Then nobody would win.
No, wait, what?
Wait, what? That doesn't make any sense though.
Lizzie's trying to say that it's her.
Okay, here it is.
Whoa. Well, that's fun.
Last thing that you need to.
Makes me want to build something, like something big that we can go in. Imagine if that was 30 feet tall.
And that they were
And
being
it-
held together by
and it
more than
was
just magnets.
More than just magnets, yeah.
Magnet tiles are cool.
They are cool. What great design tools. All right. Bye.